If you've been following me, you've probably seen me share updates on Unlock. Unlock is a cloud-based licensing, distribution and reporting tool for software products. A few months ago, I made my first Electron application, and I wasn't able to find a good solution to easily distribute auto updates to my users. So I decided to build my own solution. Now, besides Electron, I've been adding support for different platforms. In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to license and distribute your PHP Composer packages, just like Laravel Spark or Laravel Nova. Just add a few lines of code to your Composer JSON and you're good to go. Let's dive in and start by adding our product to Unlock. In this demo, we're going to set up a demo product called Laravel Air. We simply enter name, select product type, and leave licensing and distribution features enabled. Next, we're going to set up our first licensing policy. In this example, I'm going to set up a yearly licensing policy, meaning the license will expire after 1 year. Next, I'm going to select the associated GitHub repository and select Composer as the auto-update engine. I'm also going to enable additional distribution features. So by enabling auto-publish, new releases from GitHub will be published automatically to our users. And finally, I'm going to enable the public download page for users who might just want to download the source code manually. If we head over to our releases, we can see that we have none yet. If your product already has an existing release, you could use the import release option. In this case, no releases exist yet, so let's publish our first release on GitHub. Here you can see that the UI updates in real time while detected that a new release was published on GitHub. And of course, we get some nice confetti to celebrate the shipment of our new release. Let's head over to our licensing policy and make some additional changes. I'm going to set a release constraint, meaning users with this license will only be able to use version 1. Finally, I'm going to set the expiration consequence to restrict access. This means the user will still be able to access the latest release that was available upon their license expire date. Next, we're going to create a license. A license key is automatically generated, but of course you could define your own. I'm going to select the yearly licensing policy, and optionally you could override the expire date. I'm going to create a new licensee by entering the name and the email of this licensee. Our licensing policy requires a unique license activation. So we're going to make a quick API request, and this is something you would integrate in your existing platform, where your users, for example, could activate his or her license for a specific domain. In this case, I'm going to activate the license for philo.dev. Now that we have everything set up, we can give it a try and download our Composer package. From the distribution page, you can find the Composer repository to share with your users. Let's copy and paste this and add it to our composer.json file. Let's require our package by typing composer require philo/Laravel Air. This will prompt us for a username and password. The username will be equal to our licensee email address, and the password is a combination of our license and fingerprint, which you can see here on the right side. I'm going to let Composer store my credentials for future updates. And as you can see, we've successfully downloaded our Composer package from our private repository, and we've used a license that we've created earlier. Now, if you're interested, be sure to head over to Unlock and sign up for the beta. And if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. And in the meantime, have a great day.